What's up? I'm back with another makeup look. As you can see, it's a bit different because I felt creative. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it. Start off with foundation. Apply it as usual all over your neck and face using your favorite brush or sponge. Then concealer. Apply it to your under eyes, pimple marks, and any imperfections that you want to conceal. Prep the lips using a lip balm. Then we proceed to brows. Nothing special, just dry it like you normally do, then using a spoolie, blend it to prevent harsh lines. For eyeshadow, we'll be using this pigmented pink color. Just apply it the way we normally do on both eyelids and under eyes. Then we use this light shimmery pink eyeshadow to make our eyes sparkle. Then this red-violet color to create depth. Start in the outer corners of your eyes and move your way in. Now we look like a zombie, but it's okay. After that, we move to contouring our jaws, cheeks, forehead, and nose. Then the first part of eyeliner. Normally put our eyeliner but stop before the wing because that one's for later. We continue to do our lashes, curl it, add falsies, and put mascara. Much better. Moving on to blush. As you can see, I put a lot, so don't be shy. Put some more. After that, we highlight our cheekbones, brow bones, and nose. It's okay to put too much since this makeup look is about creativity. Now we move to lips. We'll combine the colors of red, violet, and pink, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, the second part of the eyeliner. Exaggerate the wing part. Because why not? Next is the fun part. With the help of the tweezers, we'll put these dry flowers on our cheeks. You can add more designs and glitters, but since I don't have one, we'll put little dots using our eyeliner. Ta-da! Last part. Wet a part of your green eyeshadow and outline your eyes and brows. That's it! And I'll be showing you the finished look in a while. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's sad to see you go. Just kidding, I know you'll be back, right? See you soon. Love, Erin.